Hey everybody, it's Neil, and I got myself a new doggie, and I figured I needed a treat tote so I can walk around with her treats and be able to give her treats as I go. So let's check out this little contraption here. So I'll show you guys how it works if I can figure it out myself. So let's see. Okay, so this is what it looks like here. So you can see it's got like a little clip on it, so I can clip it on the side of my pants or on a belt, something like that. You know, you can just connect it up or connect your belt through there, whatever you want. And then you've got your little pouch here. So this is where we can stick our treats, and then we can do this, which cinches up the top of it. So that's kind of cool. So that's what it's going to keep it closed like that. So you can keep it closed when you want to, and then when you're doing your tricks, like when I'm going to be teaching my dog to be a little circus dog, I can open it up like that, and you know, just while I'm working, you can have treats nice and handy. So how cool is this? Nice little op thing here, and it's called Treat Tote by K9 Hardware. So super cool. So pick up one of these. This is for tiny little dogs. I have a tiny little dog, so super cool. Thumbs up.